This is the brief on guarding your red zone against multitasking. You know those days where you're constantly bouncing between calls, messages, and chores? We like to praise that as efficient productivity. But according to Dr. Phang Cheng Kar's Mindful Gym guidelines, all that task switching is actually draining our cognitive resources. Thankfully, there is a simple strategy to regain control. Now, if you firmly believe that doing 5 things at once makes you a high performer, well, think again. A multitasking mind is basically a Kuala Lumpur traffic jam at 6 p.m. Are you really getting more done, or are you just creating an inner traffic jam? First, you've got to realize that multitasking is literally a thief. It quietly steals 5 crucial things from you. It takes your time, because of the constant restart costs, and your energy, since your brain has to constantly stop, reorient, and reload. Plus, it completely robs you of your presence, your accuracy, and your calmness. Second, you need to build red zone awareness. You have to identify those safety-critical or really high-focus moments in your day and treat them as a red zone. That's a strict, non-negotiable area where only single tasking is allowed. Finally, you protect that red zone using the PDF method. Prioritize what matters most, delegate or divide the task into smaller steps, and focus by using a neat trick called nowing. This just means silently labeling your present action to anchor your wandering mind. Literally just saying to yourself, now listening, or now writing. You can still handle everything on your plate, just not all at once.